Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So today we're making a Sooji Puri. So let's start. Take a Sooji, or you can say Rava or Semolina. Add curd. Add all masalas, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, sesame seed, ajwain. Add kasturi methi. If you don't have kasturi methi, you can use fresh methi also. Add oil and mix it well. Now add flour and make dough like roti dough. If you need water, just add as desired. Now once dough is ready, roll it, fry it, and that's it. Enjoy this delicious Rava Puri with chutney, sauce or chai. Hope you like it and don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.